This is a free exercise for meteorology. It's a free game, you can play it yourself. It's about the features of a supercell storm. Look in the description of this video to find the link. I'm gonna press start now. An overshooting top is what we see here. A wall cloud or pedestal cloud, that's what we see here. Virga fall streaks can be seen in this part of the storm. Forward flank downdraft, that's what we see here. Flanking line is heavy rainfall and hail can be seen in this part of the storm. Mammatus cloud may be seen here, not always. Outflow of the air here. A possible tornado or a funnel. A shelf cloud can be seen in this part of the storm. A mesocyclone rotating updraft. Rear flank downdraft. And storm movement or direction is this direction. And this is an angle of the cumulonimbus cloud. You can play this game yourself, look in the description of the cities of the world. Subscribe. More videos on travel and cities. Games for school, geography and geosciences. Link to free games.